YouTubers, and we're back today. Okay, we're going to be doing another fidget spinner thing. And this one I just got in the mail. I told you I'd be showing you all my fidget spinners. This one is glow in the dark. And I'll show you what it can do in the dark. See, it glows. We get more darker. We get back in this hole. Perfectly see it. It's better when you actually have it in the dark, but you should really get one. You can get these for about $5 on Amazon, anywhere. So, and hello, I'm Nicole.
Her YouTube channel is Girl Over 101.
Alright, and we're signing off, and stay tactical.
Tactical.